Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, where I'm a analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, a mentor, and it is brought to you by Grok Trade. Now, here's a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Room on KSS, which is it had earnings today, so it had really moved a lot. That's Coles, and it is doing what? It's coming down further and further here. What do we call that? That's called a falling wedge. If you want to know more about falling wedges, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, our free chart school, and go to falling wedge. There is a description of it, and then here is a picture of it, where it's getting lower and lower and getting tighter and tighter. But Mark, this is a definition of a downtrend, right? Lower highs and lower lows. It is, but however, this is a bullish formation. So let's take a look. What's it doing here? It's coming again. It's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. In fact, look, it's getting a lot tighter right here at this point. Let's draw that in. There we go. It's even getting tighter here. All right, so if it breaks above all these moving averages and above that trend line, I want it to be long. So I had an order set, and let's see what happened next. Boom, boom, boom. There it goes, and it breaks out, and I got in at $53.44. I am long Coles. That's KSS. All right, let's hold on to our hats. Now, all these lines that I have drawn here, this is actually from my trading chart, and now it's forming what we call a bull pennant. It runs up here, it's pinching here, and so I'm bringing my stop up here just under the 8 EMA, because if it fails that bull pennant, I want it to be out. And it didn't. It went up and then pulled back, and now it's still going up. And now it's hitting its head here, and then this $54 is support for that area. And again, these are lines that I had drawn in. Let's get ready to go. And then it's still basing here, boom, there it goes. So I'm now using the 20 moving average as my stop, and now 54.20 seems to be resistance. Why? I don't know. I don't care. I just want to trade well and make money. Now, here it is, high basing for a while here above that $54 support line. You know what? I'm going to take out half at $54.18 for 1.3% on the first half. I'm still long the second half, bringing my stop underneath this 20 moving average. That's the green line, and so we're going to ready to see what happens here next, and bam, there it is. It closed below there, and I'm out at $54.05 for 1.1% on the second half. So let's look at this trade. We had a falling wedge, and a breakout from the falling wedge, I went long, and then it continued to run up, and as it was basing up here at a line of resistance, I said, okay, this has been a nice run. Let me take out half and retain some of my profits. And then when it fell and broke below the 20 moving average, I got out. Look at the power of a falling wedge like that. Who would have thought that would be bullish, to be able to get a 1.2% trade in 32 minutes? These are some of the trades we're doing in the GrokStar room. Kind of a rough day today because of the choppy market this morning. So I did make a profit. I was just at plus 0.15% for the day. But you know what? A profit is a profit. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember, as Vivian Lee said in the movie Gone with the Wind, tomorrow is another day. Trade well.